Conquer any terrain with the Redcat Gen8 V2. Ready to take your RC crawling to the next level? The Redcat Gen8 V2 International Scout 2 is here to dominate the rocks. This 1/10th scale rock crawler is packed with features. It's designed for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. Get ready for some serious off-road action. The Gen8 V2 boasts portal axles for incredible ground clearance. It also has a divorce transfer case and metal gear covers. These features ensure durability and top-notch performance. With its C-channel frame rails and aluminum shocks, this truck is tough. The licensed Interco Super Swamper tires grip any surface. You can find it on Amazon for $359.99. Reviewers rave about its out-of-the-box performance and upgradability. Many say it's fun for all ages. Some customers recommend upgrading the battery for longer run times. Head over to the product page on Amazon to learn more and grab your own Redcat Gen8 V2. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RC reviews and adventures.